Ever wondered who would win in a writing showdown? A specialized AI tool built into WordPress or the mighty ChatGPT? Well, today we're gonna find it out. I'm pitting WriteRush versus ChatGPT in a head-to-head content creation race. We will give both the same blog topic and then compare the quality and speed. Think of it as a AI version of Bake Off. Yeah, by the end, you will find out the differences and decide which approach suits your content creation needs. So without any further ado, let's do this. I have chosen a simple topic, say benefits of remote work for productivity. Both tools will need to produce a short vlog intro section on this topic, plus a quick outline of points. So ready, set, go. I open ChatGPT and type the prompt here. Write a 500-word blog post about how remote work can increase productivity. I hit enter. ChatGPT starts typing away in its blank chat box. The text is streaming out pretty quickly. I have to admit, in about 30 seconds, it generates a few paragraphs, and after a minute or so, we have almost a full draft. Yep, 1 minute for raw content. Now let's examine what we got. The content from ChatGPT is decent. It mentions fewer distractions, flexible hours, and happier employees leading to productivity. Great, but here's the thing. This output is generic. It's like something anyone could have written with a very neutral tone. Also, notice it's all sitting outside WordPress. I'd have to copy paste this into my site's editor. When I do that, I will need to format the headings, maybe break it into sections, add an image, ensure it matches my usual writing style, and so on. So while ChatGPT was fast giving me text, I'm left with manual work to it publish ready. In other words, ChatGPT is a powerful engine, but it's not integrated with my workflow. It's just a text generator in a blank box. Alright, now over to WriteRush. Remember, WriteRush operates inside WordPress, so it's going to incorporate tasks beyond just here's some text. I selected the same topic in the WriteRush plugin. Say it benefits, of remote work for productivity. Alright, then I'm going to select the brand voice, which was already created, and you can see there are some blog settings that you can select as per your need. And you see the topic analysis. Here are some few questions that WriteRush gonna ask you, and according to your answers, you're gonna fill them. WriteRush will give you the product as per your need. I select OK, and then generate title. You see, instead of one prompt, I have guided a workflow. First, it quickly does topic analysis. I have some headings like title. I will go with this, how I boost productivity benefits remote work. As I said before, you can generate more, or you can just edit it as per your need again, and yeah, type next. So it quickly topic analysis and ACRP. select the country United States, and then next. Alright, I hit generate. I will choose a option from here as well, then choose my titles. Yep, that's it. I hit generate for an outline and draft. It's taking a while. Okay, boom. WriteRush generates an outline with key points like fewer office interruptions, customized work environment, time saved on commutes, etc. All structured as sections, and you can see there are some outlines which I can customize as per my needs. I can tweak some outlines if I want, like you see. Yeah. So then it starts drafting. I'll go for the next step. It starts drafting its section in my predetermined tone. Time elapsed roughly the same minute or so, and I have a structured draft directly in WordPress. Alright, let's look at the WriteRush output. It's also talking about how remote work can boost productivity, but it noticed how I boost productivity, benefits of remote work. But I noticed it references maybe example of a 2025 study showed of remote workers felt more productive. Something that adds a bit of depth. ChatGPT's version might not have pulled that specific angle without a direct prompt. The WriteRush draft also automatically used my brand voice profile, so the tone is conversational and witty, just the way I like since I trained it. It doesn't feel like stock easy. It has a couple of my signature phrases in here. That's a big plus. WriteRush keeps your voice in context, whereas ChatGPT by default has a more one-size-fits-all tone. So here you can see I have another feature which says choose an image or generate AI image. From here I can choose an image as per my requirements, or I can generate it whatever I want. If I choose image and I had already saved pictures, then I could choose an image from there. But since I haven't, so I will generate an image according to my topic, which says benefits of remote work for productivity. And I will choose the image size. It's everything tailor-made for you. Generate it, and it will take a few moments. And you can see I have an image which shows the the productivity, how can you do remote work. I will save the image here. I like it. Alright, done. So importantly, the WriteRush content is already inside my WordPress editor. The headings are properly formatted. It even suggested a title for me, like how I boost productivity, benefits of remote work, understanding the shift, why remote work is on the rise, etc. Nice touch. If I scroll, I could directly drop in an AI generated image for a home office with one click, like here, as I did it before, so I'm not gonna do it again. Alright, because the tool has that feature ready. In contrast with ChatGPT's text, I would now have to find an image separately and upload it. That's a lot of work and hassle. That's pretty much annoying. Next. Yep. In raw generation speed, they were both fast within a minute or two, both gave a draft, but consider overall workflow time with ChatGPT. After getting the text, I spent extra minutes copying it over, fixing formatting, manually adjusting the tone, and adding a relevant image. Let's say that's an extra 10 to 15 minutes work, if not more, depending on how picky you are. With WriteRush, my draft was essentially publication ready. The moment it was generated, maybe I will spend 5 minutes reviewing it and tweaking, but I didn't have to transplant it from another tool or reform everything. So in a race to an actually finished, polished blog post, WriteRush finishes far ahead. Quality-wise, both drafts were grammatically correct and coherent. No surprise, since they likely use similar underlying AI tech. But the WriteRush draft was better aligned with a real blog post structure. It had an intro, clear section headings, and a conclusion, all derived from a guided outline. And ChatGPT gave me paragraphs that I would have to organize into an outline myself. ChatGPT, after the fact, also WriteRush guided approach meant it considered what should be in a productivity blog by looking at known sources. That SRP step, you remember? So it included points matter. And ChatGPT might include some of those too, but it's more hit or miss unless your prompt is very specifically. So you can see I can just send it to my WordPress dev with a single click, and it will be saved. It will be ready to publish post. And for ChatGPT, I have to do a lot of work for that. So that's a lot of hassle. So viewers, it's time to declare our winner in AI Writing Showdown. ChatGPT was fantastic as a general AI. It's flexible, it can generate anything you ask for, but when it comes to blog content creation, it's a bit like a raw ingredient, like you need to cook it more into a finished dish. Like you are still be copying, pasting, editing for tones and adding meta details, etc. WriteRush, on the other hand, is more like a meal kit that comes with everything pre-prepped and measured. It guides the AI to produce a structured article in one go and serves it right where you need it in your WordPress dashboard. Less mess, less fuss. In our taste, WriteRush was both faster and easier to produce a ready-to-publish piece. I didn't have to back and forth prompt engineering or manually reformatting. It's built so that a lot of that was handled for me. And the content already had my personal or my vlog brand flavor without me explicitly prompting for it every single time. Thanks to WriteRush brand voice training. Curious to try the winner for yourself? If WriteRush grabs your interest, check out the link in the description box to learn more. And hey, if you are a ChatGPT power user, let me know in the comment sections about your workflow compares. Do you still spend a lot of time editing its output? Let's chat about it. For now, thanks for watching this AI showdown, and remember, the real tool is that which actually makes your life easier, and for WordPress bloggers, that just might be WriteRush. Until next time, happy writing and cheers to work smarter.